Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can mute incoming calls in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. Now I will show you how you can mute it. As you can see, there is an incoming call. So how can I mute it? Simply hold your mobile and press this volume down button. Now as you can see, the call is on mute. Now let's see the second option, which is flip to mute. Let me show you how you can do it. So as you can see, there is an incoming call. I just need to hold my mobile and flip it. Now as you can see, our mobile is on mute. And you can also see the incoming call is also on mute. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.